All right, good morning, guys. We're gonna talk today about line-out converters, okay? Line-out converters, basically, you gotta have it in order to put aftermarket amplifiers if you have a factory radio, all right? We got the 2-channel, we got the 4-channel here, okay? The AP Lock 20, the AP Lock 40. 2-channel version, you can use this for anything from just adding a sub-amplifier to a factory head unit and or factory amplifier, okay? Same concept, but now it's a 4-channel. So this lets you do this plus an additional amplifier for, let's say, your mids and highs. All amplifiers need a remote to turn on, okay? Little blue wire, okay? How do you turn that on with a factory radio? Well, some people will put a switch. Most nowadays, guys will just connect it to like a fuse or your cigarette lighter accessory point. Yes, it works, but it's not the right thing. It's bad for the amplifier. Some vehicles, when you turn the vehicle on and off, the amplifier will give you this horrible popping or thudding noise. Sounds terrible, sounds like a bomb went off. Very bad for the speakers in the amplifier, okay? This gives you 3 options of how to turn that amplifier on, where it'll sense when the key comes on, it'll sense when the signal of the speakers come on with sound, and or if you have true remote from the factory amplifier. The second set of switches, okay? Most factory radios nowadays have a built-in sensing on the speakers. If you disconnect any of the speakers on the vehicle from the factory amplifier or factory radio and amplifier, it'll stop working, okay? Because it takes the load off of there. The system thinks that the speaker's bad, it's not working, it doesn't know what to do, it shuts itself off. It'll drive you crazy. This eliminates that, okay? This works with any factory radio with a standard analog amplifier and or any factory radio with a premium sound digital amplifier. Now, lastly, we got here your ground isolation, okay? Should you get any kind of unwanted or unnecessary, call it engine noise, that weird annoying noise that'll drive you nuts, okay? You have 3 options here, okay? You have a ground loop, you have ISO, okay? And you have a 200 ohm resistance value. That will usually, if not always, eliminate all your problems, because if you're getting those kind of noises, usually almost always something in the install. We could talk about that later, but trust me, guys, this is the thing. This is the one you want, okay? There's other guys out there that make it. I can't mention the names. Great product. Also a great product for a fraction of the cost. You know the name, you know the brand, Audiopipe. Check it out.